supported President Trump. But Bernal and others don't like the way this is being carried out. Gabriela Argona says she was at the gym and she saw a group of officers burst into the neighboring stores last week.
When I finished my workout, coming outside, I saw a lot of people arrested and people.
It's